Haley and Calvin, take two.
Yeah. Sure.
What do you have in your hand that you're crawling around like an injured person?
Yeah.
Yay? Hi, Calvin. Hi, Calvin. How big is Calvin, Haley? Is he so big? Don't bite that tail, Calvin. She's gonna bite your tail. Tail? Kitty cat. Kitty cat? We're right in the sun. It's right in our eyes. Well, Calvin's coming over here, so I assume that... Haley, Calvin's getting away. Key. I'm not good light. So big? No, don't do that, Haley. There's plates on the table, and she's pulling the tablecloth. Hi, kitty. Haley, will you tell Calvin something? Did he lick you? He made you laugh. Haley and a kitty. Haley's on the splat mat. She's... Oh! Does this mean that you want to get in your high chair? You want Nana? There it is. Nana! How big is Haley? Alright, well, Haley, here's Calvin. We're going to end the video if you don't do anything else. Kitty? Here's Key. Haley, yippee! No yippee. Haley, can you show the camera where your nose... Where's Haley's nose? Good girl! Good girl! Yes. Yay! Where's Kitty? Kitty. Haley. Haley, who's your favorite parent? Did you just say you? Uh-oh, watch out, Calvin. Now she's petting Kitty. Alright, this is... He's not really appreciating her touching his feet. Haley, where's Calvin's nose? I think he just tried to bite her. He may have bitten her. Hold on. Okay, video over.